All of you listening now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then all of you on video? What's our last class?
Endocrine system, ma'am.
Endocrine system, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Up to where we discussed in endocrine system?
Function of hormones complete, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Function of hormones
Madam,
completed.
today thyroid gland. Today.
Today you start thyroid gland, ma'am.
Thyroid gland. Today you start.
Oh, today I will start thyroid gland. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All of you sleeping? Only one or two giving response.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then what happened, you all? Okay. Everyone happy chocolate day.
Same to you, ma'am.
Same to you, ma'am.
Huh?
Same to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Same to you.
You don't want to tell.
Welcome, ma'am.
Chocolate
What?
day comes in Valentine week, no, madam?
Today also chocolate day, na?
We don't know. No one giving
Happy
chocolate.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
chocolate day,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
want.
Chocolate day, ma'am.
Eh? Chocolate day. What chocolate day? Happy chocolate day. Pintu, you told no? You will give chocolate. Huh?
You, ma'am?
You only said.
ওই পিন্টু চকলেটের ছবি তুলে পাঠিয়ে দে।
Who told you?
You only said.
আরে চকলেট কেনার পয়সা নেই, ছবি তুলবো কোথা দিয়ে?
আরে চকলেটের ছবি তুলে পাঠিয়ে দে দোকান থেকে।
দোকানি কেলাবে ছবি তুললে, বলে কিনতে আসেনি, ছবি তুলতে আসে।
Talk in English.
পয়সা নেই, টাকা তো আছে।
Ah. Who will talk in Bengali? I will just remove from class. You go and take rest nicely, okay? Huh? Then I do now.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So today we will discuss about the anatomy of thyroid gland. So all of you know that what is the thyroid gland, I think. We already discussed, no, that topic in offline class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is thyroid gland? Where it is locating?
Neck side, ma'am.
Either side of the
Huh? What hormones are releasing from the thyroid gland?
Thyroxine.
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 And one more. Only one you said. There is a two hormones. T3 and T4. That is thyroxine and triiodothyronine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here usually that thyroid gland is going to releasing that T3 and T4 hormones. Okay, but if that hormones are going to releasing more means what we can tell? If you have brain, you can tell that increasing hormonal level, hyperthyroidism.
It's
Okay,
goiter.
hyper means increasing. Okay, and if it is decreasing that hormone levels means we can tell hypothyroidism.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? No one not giving response.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Your voice is not audible.
Oh, now audible na?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So up to endocrinal organs, what is the exocrine, endocrine and hormonal functions we discussed. So now we will discuss about the thyroid gland. So all of you know that this is one of the gland, thyroid is one of the gland. It is going to locating in front of the neck and the larynx and trachea. So all of you know that if you see that thyroid gland, okay. So trachea will be there. Yes, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Larynx
ma'am.
will be there, and here only trachea will be there. Okay, and larynx and the neck also here only situating. No, so if you see that it is going to locating near of the larynx, trachea and neck, and if you see that means the posterior portion, there is a fifth, sixth, seventh cervical and first thoracic vertebra. It's mean that usually everyone knows that there is a ribs will be there. Correct now? Like this sternum and the ribs will be there. Okay, so this is the for anterior portion, but if you see that posterior portion, there is a backside spinal cord. Correct now? For the brain is going to locating, no, its connection will be there. So here there is a wait. So like this spinal cord is there means it will be fully collaborated with the spinal bones. Small bones will be there, no, for spinal cord. Correct now?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Looking from the neck portion, okay, so there is a from here to from the neck portion there is a fifth cervical and a sixth and a seventh cervical vertebra, and along with that thoracic means at the here thoracic region, lungs region, first thoracic vertebrae. Okay, so these vertebrae are going to locating for the posterior portion to the thyroid gland. So this is the one location of the thyroid gland. And along with that, these thyroid gland is going to having many of the vessels and blood vessels are going to collaborating with that. So because of that reason, we are going to telling that it's a vascular gland also. So if you see this picture, you can know that. So there is a number of blood vessels will be there, vasculars will be there. So that reason we can tell it is a vascular gland also. Okay. And what is the weight of this gland means 25 grams of the weight we can be observed for the thyroid gland, and other along with that it will be resemble like a butterfly. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Here you can observe. Okay, it will be visible like a butterfly shape. Okay, so along with that it will be consist of two lobes, that is thyroid cartilage we can be tell. It will be present upside upper portion of the thyroid gland. This is the two lobes. Understood now? So these two we can tell as a two lobes. It will be present upper portion of the thyroid gland. Clear now, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And along with that, it will be continuous with the trachea rings. So this is the one trachea, okay? So there is a C-type rings will be there for the trachea. So it will be starts with the upper portion of the thyroid gland and it will be continuous with the trachea. Clear now, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
And these
Yes,
lobes,
ma'am.
so where the two lobes are going to joining, that is we can tell as a isthmus. Means these are here there is a two lobes will be there. So for the connection of these two lobes here will be there. This is the one center we can tell. Here only that isthmus is going to presenting. Okay. So where there is a two lobes are going to reaching, that point we can be tell as a isthmus. Clear now? Joining of
Yes, ma'am.
lobes that we can tell
Yes,
as a
ma'am.
isthmus. And along with that, these lobes are roughly cone shape. So I told that there is a cone shape will be there for these two lobes. Correct now? There is a cone shape will be there like this. Okay. So if you see this long of this cone shape of lobes, 5 centimeter of long will be there. There is a thickness is 3 centimeter of the thickness. Understood now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And how the blood supply of this thyroid gland. So there is a arterial blood supply will be there, arteries. So which will be carry the arteries, which blood is going to carrying?
Deoxygenated blood, ma'am.
Oxygen blood.
1 minute. हाँ मैम. हाँ. అంటే ఇస్తాను. Okay, fine. So where we are? Arteries. So which blood is going to carrying arteries?
Oxygenated blood.
Yeah, there is a oxygenated blood is going to carrying through the arteries. Okay, so that will be helpful to carry the. Wait, please. See, after you ask cups. I thought maybe already given, no. Huh? Auntie. कालता में Okay, so these arteries are going to carrying the oxygenated blood, okay, which will be carry the oxygenated blood by the arteries. It will be helpful to carry the oxygen blood. Listening all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what will happen means here there is a arteries will be there, okay, so which will be carry the oxygenated blood. So there what will happen means that carotid artery here from, if you see from the upside, okay, so like this neck will be there, no, so from the neck there is a carotid artery will be there. So through that carotid artery that blood is going to circulating for the thyroid gland. Understood now? So from the downside there is a subclavian artery will be there. Through this vein artery is also going to carrying the oxygenated blood, and along with that here carotid artery left common carotid artery will be there, and along with that thyroid arteries also is there. So through that arteries only that blood is going to carrying, oxygenated blood is going to carrying to the thyroid gland. Clear now all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
There is a written that means deoxygenated blood, how it is going to means circulating here means. So everyone know that from that lungs to that heart is going to pumping the blood, correct now?
Yes, ma'am.
But here for the thyroid gland, how the deoxygenated blood is going to receiving by the veins means, so by the thyroid veins. By the thyroid veins, okay, so it will be drain the blood which will be there, deoxygenated blood in the thyroid gland, it will be drained by the veins only. That is mainly internal jugular vein. Internal jugular vein, here it is going to presenting internal jugular vein. So this jugular vein is going to purify the blood, and it will be sending the deoxygenated blood through the veins, and oxygenated blood is going to carrying through the arteries. Clear now all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If you see this picture, you can understand that it is a butterfly shape of the thyroid gland, and it have the two lobes. Okay, so this is having the 5 centimeter of long and 3 centimeter of the width. Okay, so this is the C-type rings. So this is isthmus, we can tell. Center point we can tell as isthmus, where the two lobes are going to joining together. This is the one we can tell as a isthmus. Okay, so this is right lobe, this is the left lobe, and this is the trachea, and it will be continue with the two lobes. Clear now all of you? So this is
Yes, ma'am.
next we see that physiology, what all the hormones are going to releasing from this thyroid gland. So there is the T3 and T4 are going to releasing from the thyroid gland, that is thyroid hormones, thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
So, thyroxine and triiodothyronine. So this is the form of iodine only, okay? So this iodine is going to very much helpful to formate the thyroid hormones. So you people are taking that iodine through the salt only, correct now? So if you take normal
Yes,
salt
ma'am.
and salt, it will be good for your health, especially for the thyroid gland, and it will be initiate the thyroid gland very well, and it will be have the function to release the T3 and T4 hormone because of the iodine only. Okay, that is the one thyroxine and triiodothyronine. So these thyroid glands selectively take up iodine. I told no. So when we are going to taking that salt, it will be directly entering into the bloodstream. Okay. So what will happen when that salt is going to mixing with the blood? So immediately thyroid gland, whatever is there, this thyroid gland is going to catching the iodine from that blood. Clear now all of you? So that's why we are telling it's a iodine trap. Understood now? Iodine trapping means, so that iodine, whatever is released into the blood, that will be trapped and it will be taken up by the thyroid gland. That's why we can tell it's a iodine trapping. Clear now all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
these T4 hormones into the blood, it will be how it is going to releasing means by the thyroid stimulating hormone. So there is a T3 hormone is different and T4 hormone is different. This T3, T4, along with that, there is a thyroid stimulating hormone is different. Okay. So this thyroid stimulating hormone, it is going to releasing through the pituitary into the means from the pituitary gland. So all of you know that like this brain is there now. Yes, now brain is there now.
Yes, ma'am.
So here
Yes, ma'am.
hypothalamus is there. Near of that hypothalamus, pituitary gland is there. Okay. So from when this pituitary gland is going to giving stimulation, then only thyroid gland is going to releasing the hormone. So this stimulation by the pituitary gland, that is we can tell TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. So example, I will tell that. Okay. So whatever exam we are conducting, whatever classes we are taking from you, for you people. Okay. So how we will get that stimulation by the management only, correct? No. So direct management is giving the stimulation, but indirectly we are going to reaching you people and giving the classes. At the same way here, how the pituitary gland is going to giving the stimulation by the releasing of thyroid stimulating hormone. Okay. So once that thyroid stimulating hormone is releasing, immediately that thyroid gland is going to releasing T3 and T4 hormone. Clear now all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And this thyroid stimulating hormone secretion, it will be present in the hypothalamus. It's mean that near of that hypothalamus only pituitary gland is there. So everyone know that pituitary gland is, this is the one main gland, master of gland for the all glands. So if you see in your body, many glands are there, correct? No. So compared to, for that all the glands, whatever is there in your body, there is an icon of that gland is, master of the gland is pituitary gland. It will be present near of the hypothalamus in the brain. Clear now all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Get the doubt how that thyroid stimulating hormone is going to releasing through the pituitary gland. Okay. So when you are going to doing that exercise more, or when you are going for more stress, or if you are not taking proper food, it will not be get secrete properly. Okay. So means that here you have to sleep very well, and you have to do good exercises, and you have to do good you have to be out of the stress and all. Understood? No, you have to take the good nutritious food. Then only this stimulation hormone is going to be releasing properly. Clear now all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So there is a T3, T4 hormones are releasing by the thyroid gland. The main function of these two is it will be helpful for the growth and development of the human body. And along with that, skeletal system means, so every human body is going to made by first of all skeleton only, bones. Correct now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
without that bone, if you have only muscle and flesh, whether you can be able to stable? No, you can
No.
able to hold anything? No. Here, this skeleton and nervous system. So nervous system also very much important. So if you touch any object, if you touch anything, you will get that sensory stimulus. Okay. So that will be come by the nervous system only. So here skeletal system and nervous system is very much important to the growth and development of the human body. So for that, these T3 and T4 are very much helpful. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That hormones along with the T3 and T4, there is a calcitonin also going to releasing. So how it is going to release means, I told that there is a thyroid gland will be there. It's a butterfly shape. Correct now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in that thyroid gland, if you see this picture, so it will be made fully by the cells only, gland. Correct now? So number of cells will be there. That cells we can tell as a C cells. The name of the cells in the thyroid gland, there is a C cells will be there. Understood now? So from that C cells only, this calcitonin, from that C cells only, this calcitonin is going to releasing. Clear now all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So how it will be helpful, this calcitonin means, so when you are having calcium levels more in your body, so you people are taking calcium food now? Yes, no? So when that calcium levels are going to increasing in your body, so that calcium levels are going to balanced by this calcitonin only. It will be helpful to maintain the normal level of the calcium levels in your body, and along with that in the bone also. So all of you know that the calcium is very much important to develop the bone. Correct, no? So if any people are having any of the accident related to the bone and all, fracture and all, they will suggest that you take calcium diet food more, because that calcium is helpful to make a good bone formation. Understood? So along with that, it will be helpful for your teeth also, because your teeth also type of bone only. Correct, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Calcium, when it is going to increasing in your body, it will be helpful to maintain the normal state of the calcium levels in your body. That is the work of the calcitonin. Clear now, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So next we see that parathyroid gland. So if you see the thyroid gland, so inside of that thyroid gland only parathyroid gland is going to locating. There are the two pair of parathyroid gland will be there. It means that 4 small parathyroid glands. 2 pair or 4 small parathyroid glands will be there. So around 50 grams of weight will be there, this parathyroid gland, and it will be present posterior portion of the thyroid gland. Posterior means not front, back.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood now? So this is the front anterior portion. But if you see posterior portion, back side of that thyroid gland, these 4 parathyroid glands are going to locating. Clear now, all of you?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And here, what is the main function of this parathyroid gland means? It will be secrete the hormones, that is parathyroid hormones. So that is also we can be tell as parathormone. Both are same only. Parathyroid hormone and parathormone also both same only. So what is the main function of this means? These parathyroid hormones are helpful to maintain the blood calcium levels. I told that calcium levels from the bone. Okay, so if it is reducing in the bones, it will be helpful for the formation of the bone through the calcitonin. But here, if that calcium levels are reducing in your blood, okay, so that will be replaced and that will be maintained by the parathyroid hormones. Clear now, all of you? So these parathyroid hormones are helpful to maintain the regulation of calcium levels in the blood. But if you see that calcitonin, it will be helpful to maintain the calcitonin level into the bone. Clear now, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that blood calcium levels, whatever is there in the blood, it will be regulated by the parathyroid hormones. Okay. So when we are taking that calcium, it will be enter into the blood. Okay. So it will be absorbed into the blood, and along with that in the small intestine also it is going to absorbing. So that here, that will be maintained by the parathyroid hormones only. So this parathyroid gland is going to presenting posterior portion of the thyroid gland with the 4 small parathyroid glands. The weight of this parathyroid gland is 50 grams. Clear now, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. This is about the thyroid gland. Any doubts are there up to now?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
There
No, ma'am.
I take in class. Correct,
Ma'am,
na?
thyroid.
Thyroid.
Ma'am, thyroid disease is there no increasing the thyroid, madam.
Thyroid.
Thyroid is formed, ma'am, when the person is
I am not
thyroid
understanding.
disease.
Thyroid disease.
Yes, ma'am.
I told
Increasing
no.
the
I told already in the starting class only. I said T3, T4 hormones when it is going to functioning normally, that will be helpful to the body. But when that hormones are going to releasing, that is we can tell hyperparathyroidism or hyperthyroidism. Understood now? So T3, T4 hormones are everyone know. Correct now?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Usually when the T3, T4 hormones are releasing normally, it will be helpful your body. Understood? But when it is releasing more hormone, it will be poisonous your body. That's why everyone telling no. Hyperparathyroidism, hyperthyroidism. You know, no thyroid diseases. Sometimes goiter will come, so that thyroid gland is going to becoming very much larger. So that all the because of deficit of the hormones only. Understanding? So it may be the hormone increment will be there or hormone deficit will be there. Because of that reason only they will get the thyroid disorder. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Any doubts are there up to thyroid gland? అనిల్ ఏం చేస్తాను? దిక్కులు చూస్తాను.
లేదు మేడం. మ్యామ్
చెప్పు.
గాయిటర్ ఉంది కదా మేడం, అది మెడిసిన్ ఉంది.
ఉంది. మెడిసిన్ తో క్యూర్ అవ్వకపోతే థైరాయిడ్ గ్లాండే తీసేస్తారు.
ఓకే. Before our class, madam told there is no medicine for goiter in our
No,
lower
no.
classes.
Oh, I will take goiter class one day, okay, after finishing endocrine system. Then one
Okay.
condition is there, I will tell you. So in that
Okay.
medicine is there, daily they need to take medicine continuously. If that medicine they are not going to controlling, means we have to go for the removing of thyroid gland. That is, we can tell thyroidectomy, removal of thyroid gland.
Thyroidectomy.
Thyroidectomy. Ectomy means removal. Thyroid gland we can be removed. Thyroidectomy.
Okay.
Then Rahul,
Yes, ma'am.
understood a class.
Yes, ma'am.
What Anupam? What you are doing? You are singing songs, no?
Ma'am?
You are singing songs, na, in middle of class.
No, ma'am.
Seriously?
Seriously, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, any doubts are there?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
We are not asking doubts means we are not the good students. Because good student will get all time doubts only. Now you think more. Surajit?
Yes, ma'am.
You make me fear every time. Huh?
अच्छा लगता है.
हाँ, अच्छा लगता है. Fine. 71 students. Who's this Vishal Bhagat? Oh, new student all are is there.
Yes.
Okay. Then
Hi, ma'am.
hey, if you have any doubts, you can ask because we don't have more time. I think class will end.
No doubt, ma'am.
I know you will tell same dialogue only every day.
I have doubt, ma'am, but I'll sound silly. That's why I won't ask.
Huh?
I'm saying I'm having doubt, but I'll ask, then I'll sound like silly. Silly question.
Silly question. Okay, then don't ask.
Yes, that's why I'm not asking.
I don't like silly questions. Because I told that student means everyone should get the doubt. But in